All right, so here's the heat map, right? Pre-market, we still have winners getting sold. This is a 2-hour, and I've got the biggest movers in my humble opinion, which is the US dollar. I think we're gonna make an effort to get back up here into 103.5, 104 area, and then I think it's gonna be met with rejection. So that's a big if, right? Right now we're having a bounce off that 100 area, not a surprise. With the 10-year, also not a surprise. We had jobless, we had jolts, not very jolting. We had ISM showing continued contraction. Orders have been decelerating for 16 months now, and we're firmly below 50%. So manufacturing is still having a tough time. But that did help, short term anyway, helped the yield. Hold on right here. After that perfect 3.8% bounce, it did help intraday for this thing to come back down, right? And for TLT to be a nice little, short duration chase. Well, this morning jobless claims are below estimates, again, showing a strong labor market. And we've got yields popping back up like a daisy. So I still see this structure moving up to 4.1, maybe an overshoot to 4.2.
This short clip is presented by Club. Club provides access to Samantha LaDuc and her team of professional macro and micro traders, analysts, and educators. Club is ideal for active traders, investors, and institutions who want Samantha's best-of-breed market timing calls across all asset classes and timeframes like chase, swing, and trend. Get the trade before it happens. Sign up to Club now and get full access to daily live trading room with Samantha LaDuc, Slack trading desk with detailed analysis and trades, custom trade support when you need it, and much more. For more information, visit www.laductrading.com/club.
Well, big picture, I still see this heading to 104. This heading to 4.1, 4.2. The dollar bounces off that channel support of 100 where it's been all year. But I don't think it's going to get above 104 or 105 before getting rejected. And I don't think the 10-year is going to get above 4.1, 4.2 before getting rejected. I still see this in a very, very wide range of sideways until this moves lower. The dollar and yields will start to separate in like a month, in a quarter or two, but not right now at all. And basically, this chart I keep showing, we did go below 47.07. What did I say? Really important. That's the line in the sand. We go below 47.07, it's bearish. We get back above 47.07, we can absolutely rise up to fill that gap. So this morning we're below it. We'll see if it sticks. Okay, so dollar, remember I just said that kind of 104 area? It's up here. So I think we might have a little bit more. And here's my indicator. We are well above that 250, right? We're chopping above it, chopping about it. But when this is up, market's down. And we did close below 47.07. So this is a sign of more winners getting sold, basically. Pre-market, my weekly MAG 7 has really started to roll over. I talked about that. Still have a price target of about 102.36. I know you don't have this indicator real handy, but just pointed it's working. All right, and the dollar yen is moving very quickly up into that 145, sooner than expected, I might add. All right, and the other thing I wanted to show you was this indicator, yes, firmly above this little cherry-picked indicator above an indicator. All right, so that's the one I want, actually. We're still firm, trying to get back in. Well, you know what I said, if it's above 47.07, we're going to take a little run higher. They're going to try anyway. Okay, SVXY has stayed below this 102.5. Definitely had a shake and bake yesterday. You can kind of see this trend line. It's still rolling over, weak sauce. It needs to break. 101 isn't really the drama. It's, sorry, 101.39. It's this, let's just call it 101.5. We've already filled the gap. Bounced. We're totally whizzing down here, though. Just needs a trigger. Still above 1385. We get nothing. Remember, we get nothing here. Break 1385, market bullish. Break 1449, market bearish. So simple, at least in my head. And we're just going nowhere in between. But anyway, you answered the question on how strong the dollar yen is. to the 10-year, exceedingly strong, strongly correlated, which is why I kind of follow some of these that I've shown you. All right, this is the US with Japan 30-year yield. I do the same thing with the dollar yen and the 10-year and gold. Yeah, we're having a little bounce here at that 47.07. They really do not want that to fail. We haven't tagged 145 yet in the dollar yen. We're not falling apart. Nothing's changed though. We still have value outperforming growth. So they're still selling winners. That hasn't changed. Even if we have some intraday support, that hasn't changed.
Subscribe to LaDuc Trading YouTube channel for more live trading room recap videos and other content.